Oh yeah, it's Davis. I wanna love, oh. Even if love is blind, I want to love, oh. Even if not scam, I don't tire for this love.
Hey friends, it's me Elise. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. I have a new wig for you guys, and this one does come from Unice, and you can find them on Amazon Prime. If you guys are interested, I'll have all the details and links provided in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. So I decided to pick up something that I can blend my natural hair, and so I decided to pick up this Yaki straight V-part wig. Now this is one of their new upgraded caps, so you do have the two wefted clips on the V-part opening, as well as two smaller combs. You do have the two side combs and a back comb, as well as the drawstring in the very back, so you can get a nice, comfortable, secure fit. And this is going to be like my first time trying this particular cap with this Yaki straight wig, so I'm really excited about that. I'm going to go ahead and remove that little strap across the V-part opening because you don't need it. You also see that this wig does come with the adjustable, removable elastic band, so once again you do get a nice secure fit that's customized to your head shape. For myself, I have a lot of hair, so I definitely am going to require that customization in terms of my V-part wig. So I'm going to go ahead and get this wig on. I will be using the two wefted clips in the very back, and then I'm going to use the two little combs at the very front of the V-part opening just for that added security. Then you're going to go ahead and adjust the very back, the little drawstring in the back, adjust that to where you get a nice comfortable fit to where your wig isn't going to go anywhere. So just a few little details about the wig that I have. My wig is 24 inches long. It's 180% density. It's in this gorgeous Yaki straight, kinky straight type of texture, and it will blend so well with silk pressed hair. So I am just going to prepare my leave out. Off camera, I did spritz my hair down with a little bit of wow spray, and I also use a little bit of my Paul Mitchell super skinny serum. I applied that a few hours prior to this portion just because I needed it to dry, and I'm just going to do one pass with my Sotra flat iron. Anything that you guys are interested that I'm using throughout this video, of course I will have it linked in the info section below, so go ahead and check that out. So this is what the hair is looking like. It looks like a fresh silk press. I just love the luster that it's giving. It's very natural. Now if I can cut, I will definitely cut layers into this unit, but y'all can't cut, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. You guys can see where this hair hits on me. It hits about hip length, and it's super flowy. Once again, it reminds me so much of a natural silk press. You guys can just see the movement. Once again, the luster is very low luster, making this unit look very realistic and natural. And this unit is 100% human hair. Now you guys can see how well my natural hair blends in with this unit. You can't really see where my hair starts and where it ends. Now with this cap, you will need to pull out hair around your hairline if you really want it to blend in with the unit. I didn't pull out any hair, and it looks just fine without the added hair blended into the cap. Now, I wouldn't be me unless I gave you guys a few different styling options. Of course, y'all know I like to do things for us lazy girls out there. So get you a clip and make that your best friend. So I went ahead and took a cute little clip, and I just rolled the hair up into a little bun type thing and just clipped it up. This is something that I would wear to church or if I'm running errands. However, if you want a actual style, something that you can put a little more effort into, I just decided to do two little, or shall I say, large cornrows going down the front sides of my hair. I'm just braiding my natural hair, and I am attaching it to the wig, so it is a seamless type of style. I'm going to continue to braid that all the way down, and then I'm going to fluff out the braids just to add some more volume. And here is look number 2. Once again, you guys do check out Unice. They are available on Amazon Prime. I will have all the details and links provided in the info section below. If you guys are interested in any of the products that I use throughout this video, I will also link that in the description box below as well. Be sure to check that out. Now, if you guys add this unit to your cart on Amazon, they do currently still have their 5% off discount to save you guys some little bit of extra cash, because I know that times are kind of tough and we are definitely pinching pennies and trying to get it to stretch. So definitely take advantage of any type of coupon to save yourself some coins. Once again, you guys check out this wig. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. I love you guys. Bye.